How to enable or disable sign all outgoing emails for Outlook or Hotmail in the Samsung email app on the Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, open up the email app. Next, tap on the menu key, then tap on the settings icon. Now go down and open up your Hotmail or Outlook account. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on security options. Then tap on sign all outgoing emails. Tap on the toggle button if you want to switch it off or to enable it, to sign or to add a digital signature to all your emails you send. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key to go back to your inbox, or tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.